Lexus LS430 factory antenna cable to aftermarket radio. OEM style. Made from quality materials. Easy installation. Durable and long-lasting. This antenna adapter lets you connect an aftermarket receiver to the factory antenna cable in your Lexus. The adapter has a standard male Motorola plug on one end and a Lexus antenna jack on the other. Top reviews from the United States. 5 stars. I returned the cable. Do not need it. But otherwise it fit correctly on my car for the purchase. 5 stars. Works like a charm.